Where are we going today?
I don't know.
Where are we going? Look up. We're going to Lego place today.
Is it Legoland?
Yeah. Let's go. Whoa.
This has been a long day coming, and we've gone from doing our celebration, our groundbreaking celebration outside, to choosing our amazing creative crew that we have here. Choose our master model builder in our competition that we had outside, as well as doing some LEGOLAND reveals from Cincinnati, Cleveland, but of course also here in Columbus.
We're telling a positive story of Ohio across our state and in every state around us. We use images like families playing in front of Marblehead Lighthouse, and one of my favorites, a father and a daughter at the Circleville Pumpkin Show, having a magical moment, the daughter dressed in the princess dress. Those images of joy, happiness, and excitement, you can find them right here at the LEGOLAND Discovery Center, and that's why we're so excited to have it here in Ohio and have a partnership with LEGOLAND. Now, I grew up building spaceships out of Legos and talk firsthand about the joy, happiness, and excitement of it. Now I have two daughters, 4 and 8, and we spend our days after Christmas building princess castles out of Legos. I can't wait to bring them here and have them be a part of this LEGOLAND Discovery Center right here in Columbus. And when we're here, we're going to be posting with hashtag Ohio Find It Here and hashtag LDC Columbus to be able to show the joy, happiness, and excitement that can be found in Easton, to encourage others from all across the state, all the states around us, to come visit Ohio and visit LDC. Now, Easton has long been known as a destination for dining and shopping. It's great to also see it as an attraction destination. And I'm excited to also introduce Jen Peterson with Easton to say a few words.
What was your favorite part?
The ninja.
Put your hands down.
Ninja.
Did you like the ride?
Yeah.
Which ride? The spinny ride?
Wait, what's spinning one?
Do you love Legos?